In this lesson, you'll learn how to use custom CIC forms. Custom forms are a great way to streamline your data collection process by digitalizing client information forms. Log into your Smart System console and click on the Client Information tile. If you have multiple sites, select a site. Enter your shortcut's PIN number. To get your client to fill in a custom form, click on the Client Entry button. Here you'll see all the available forms, as well as the date when the client last completed a form, if applicable. If the form has an expiry, this will also be displayed. Select the form you want them to fill in, then hand the device to the client. The client will then go through and fill out each section of the form. When they tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions, a date and timestamp will be added to the form. The client will then press Done. If the client forgets to fill in a mandatory field, the form will not be submitted and red text will appear telling them that the field is required. Once the client has completely filled in the form and handed the device back to you, you'll need to enter your PIN number. If the form requires employee review, you'll need to review and accept the information entered by the client before it's saved. The Cancel button can be used to discard the form. If any information needs to be corrected, you can simply press the Adjust button, then hand the device back to the client. Once they've made the necessary changes, they'll need to re-accept the terms and conditions and press Done. You'll then need to enter your PIN number again and review the form. Once you're satisfied with the form, press Accept. The Edit Client option is for staff members to update a client's details. Edit Client is the same as Client Entry, however you won't need to review the form or enter your PIN number before it's saved. You can also view Client History. This will show a list of all the services and products the client has purchased, as well as any forms they've filled out. Tick this box if you'd like to include client history from other sites. We can see here that this client has filled out the massage consultation form. You can view the form by clicking on it. Then press back to return to the client history screen. Click on the Load More button to view more of the client's history. You can then click on the Form History button. This will show a list of any forms that have been filled out by the client. If you'd like to view the form, simply click on it. Then press back to return to the form history. Once you've finished viewing the form history, click Home to return to the main screen. Now that you know how to use custom forms, you can easily collect and manage client information.